Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on a Rolls Royce Silver Shadow. This came out in 1969 and the hot pink version was only issued in Great Britain and is worth a value of about $1,500 loose. So we're going to make this guy pink. So let's get started. Got it drilled apart and got the body, base, windshield, and the interior. Where did the windshield go? All right. All right, let's take the body to the paint shop and we'll be right back. We started with this. And we finished with this. That ends our video for today. Please subscribe if you haven't. Click the little bell. Appreciate your comments. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, or if you didn't like it, hit the thumbs down. We'll catch you on the next one. Everybody have a great day, and we'll see you later.